Many clinicians want to learn surgical techniques. Very few choose to learn anatomy first. Profound anatomical knowledge is the foundation for safer surgery. When visibility is limited, when complication occurs, when critical decisions should be made immediately, your knowledge of anatomy will guide you. This masterclass was created with clear aims: to protect the patient, to reduce intra-op and post-op complications, to develop clinical reasoning, surgical awareness, and deeper understanding of the maxillary sinus. Remember, advanced surgery is not being faster. It's about performing a safer surgery for your patients.